So suppose I have one class name called as smiles. Okay. Inside this memory internals class, I'll create a reference here. Private ref. Okay, this is interesting concept. Now, in this case, if I create like this, so if I create an object, new memory internals, how much memory will it allocate? Anyone? So the class has one reference and one variable. How much memory it's going to allocate? Vivek, Smith, Anushri, anyone? Hmm. Come on, come on. This is internal.
By
Sujay, Raghu, yes.
5 by
Huh? This is
5.
not 5 bytes. Yeah. So you can put in chat box. No problem. Let's do mistake. We will learn here. Okay. So Parthiban, what is your answer? NV, Smith, Vivek, Anushri,
6 by
6 bytes. Huh? No, not at all. 6 bytes. Not at all. 8 bytes. Okay, someone said 8 bytes, 9 bytes. Okay. This is the craziest learning that you have to do here. What I'll tell you. Int A will get how much memory? Let's say you take 4 bytes only. Okay, guys, you take 4 bytes. How much reference will allocate? 4 bytes. So you can say totally how much memory? You can say 8 bytes. What you can say? 8 bytes. So what will happen is it will allocate 8 bytes of memory. If you take A as 8 bytes, then obviously reference also you consider at 8 bytes, then it will allocate 16 bytes. You can say 8 bytes or 16 bytes of memory. This is very important. So once you have 16 bytes of memory, this is the internals that you have to understand. So it means now you are going to allocate a 16 bytes of heap memory. You're going to allocate that 16 bytes. Okay. And that is the fact of internals here. So when you have the 16 bytes of memory, tell me one thing. So this reference is allocated where? That's a question. Where is this reference allocated? Stack or heap? Where is the reference allocated? In this case, in this example, memory internals is a stack reference. But in this example, where it's allocated? Oh, stack. Hey, come on, come on. This is the craziest question of your, Adobe that was asked in Adobe. So if you have a variable and reference, if you create an object, where will it get memory? Both of them will allocate in heap only. Why? Because this variable A is allocated in heap only. Smiles reference also allocated in heap only. So reference and variable, both of them will get memory allocation in the heap itself. Because you are creating an object, the object in heap. So reference also stored in heap only, variable also stored in heap only. So most of the programmers tend to understand the difficulty. Now, if this reference is in heap, it should point to which memory? Come on, anyone here? If this reference is in heap, it should point to which memory? Now imagine this is your object of your, just imagine like this. This is your actual object, object is like this. So the memory internal class object is like this, let's assume, which has two memories. One memory is A, one memory is ref. Both are in which memory you can say? Heap memory. Okay, and this A memory has some address, let's say 45 something like this. This has some address 450034. So let's say I have given these addresses also. Clear or not? Now tell me one thing. If you have this now, this reference is in heap only. So this reference which is in heap, if this reference which is in heap memory should point to where? Where should this reference point to? Come on, guys, where it should get point to? Where it should get point to? Come on, smiling coders, where it should get pointed to? I am smiling. I hope everyone is smiling. Where it should get pointed to?
stack.
Hey, come on, guys. Please listen carefully. This is a very critical learning you all have to do here. See, A is a heap. Reference is also where heap. This reference should again point to where? It should again point to another heap memory. Should point to another. That's why people write like this. What do we write here? What do we write here? This dot ref is equal to new smiles. So what is the meaning? This reference is pointing to another heap memory or not? Yes or no, guys? So what will happen to smiles class? Smiles class will be allocated memory in heap. that also will get in heap. Let's assume smile class as one variable that is private as int c. So this c will get memory where? Where the c will get in heap. So this reference which is in heap will point to another heap memory only. This is what the fact of internals. This memory management, if you know depth, then you can crack any of the Java internals and you will be able to write code very proficiently, and you can write a production code also very fast and easy. Because in Java, an object will have references. Inside that references, it again points to another heap memories. Again, it points to what? Another heap memory. So inside smile object also in heap only, but where that C? C is also pointing in heap only. So you will write like this, ref is equal to new of smile. What will this new smile will do? Smile will allocate again C memory in heap, and that address will be pointed to ref. Now this ref is in heap, pointing to another heap memory or not? Yes, sir. No, guys. This is how a programmer actually manages internally linked list also. Yes. Any questions here, guys? Smiling coders? Or you have